Welcome to 164 diecast. Going to be opening my 2024 advent calendar from OZWheels. It's 25 days of Aussie muscle. Okay, here we go with day 19. Right, so another Kingswood this time, not a Monaro. I don't know what that is. I'll go HX.
The Christmas trees on fire, Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars. I got gifts but one subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh God, another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened?